Hey there, food lovers! Get ready for a delicious and indulgent surprise today. We've got something genuinely enticing in store for you. We created the most wonderful chocolate lava cake ever. Want to know how we did it? Grab your aprons, preheat the ovens, and let's make a chocolate lover's dream. Before we embark on our thrilling chocolate escapade, it's time to assemble our delectable allies. This marks the exhilarating beginning of our culinary adventure. Each ingredient is a crucial star in our vibrant symphony of flavors, and they deserve nothing less than our utmost respect. So, let's plunge into our treasure trove of delightful goodies and uncover the delicious surprises that await us. First up, we have unsalted butter, softened to perfection. We need 1/2 cup plus a little extra to grease our pans. Butter is the foundation of our recipe, providing that rich, creamy texture that makes our lava cake irresistible. Ensure it's at room temperature to blend seamlessly with our other ingredients. Next, we have bittersweet chocolate, finely chopped, because we want that melt-in-your-mouth experience. We need 6 ounces of this decadent delight. The quality of the chocolate is crucial, so choose the best you can find. This will be the heart of our lava cake, giving it that intense, luxurious flavor. Granulated sugar for a touch of sweetness, 1/2 cup. Sugar sweetens our dessert and helps create that perfect, slightly crispy exterior while keeping the inside gooey and molten. It's the balance of sweetness that makes each bite a heavenly experience. 2 large eggs at room temperature. Eggs are the binding agents in our recipe, giving structure and richness to our cake. Ensure they are at room temperature to mix well with our other ingredients, creating a smooth and cohesive batter. 2 large egg yolks are needed for extra richness. These little golden gems add a layer of creaminess and depth to our lava cake. They are the secret to achieving the luscious, velvety texture that indulges our dessert. All-purpose flour, just a whisper, 1/4 cup. Flour provides the necessary structure to our cake without making it too dense. Sift it to avoid lumps and ensure a light, airy batter. This small amount holds everything together while keeping the center molten. A pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Salt is the unsung hero in baking, balancing the sweetness and intensifying the chocolate flavor. Just a pinch is all we need to elevate our lava cake to new heights. Vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon, for a hint of magic. Vanilla adds a subtle aromatic note that complements the chocolate beautifully. That little touch of magic brings all the flavors together in perfect harmony. Of course, no lava cake is complete without a dollop of freshly whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. These toppings add an incredible creamy contrast to the warm, gooey cake, making each bite a delightful experience. Whether you prefer the lightness of whipped cream or the richness of ice cream, these accompaniments are the perfect finishing touch. But that is for later. Let's focus on our ingredients and the magic we are about to create. Each step and ingredient is part of the journey to chocolate bliss. So, gather your goodies and prepare to embark on this delicious adventure together. To kick off this delightful adventure, let's preheat our oven to a sizzling 425 degrees Fahrenheit, or a cozy 220 degrees Celsius. This is where the magic truly begins. Picture this as the opening scene in our chocolate love story, the warmth of the oven igniting the excitement for the delicious journey ahead. Just imagine the mouth-watering aroma that will soon embrace your kitchen, setting the perfect backdrop for the symphony of flavors we'll create together. Melt the butter and chocolate in a heat-proof bowl set over a pan of simmering water. The gentle heat will coax the rich, velvety chocolate and creamy butter into a harmonious blend. This is where the alchemy of baking begins, transforming simple ingredients into something extraordinary. Watch as the chocolate and butter slowly meld, their textures merging into a glossy, luscious mixture. Stir gently, like you're whispering sweet nothings to your chocolate. This tender care ensures that the mixture remains smooth and silky. Imagine you're serenading your chocolate, each stirring a note in a love song. The gentle motion helps evenly distribute the heat, ensuring every bit of chocolate and butter is perfectly melted. Once melted and smooth, remove from the heat and set aside. This is a crucial moment in our chocolate love story. The mixture needs to rest and cool slightly before it can be mixed with the other ingredients. This pause allows the flavors to develop and the texture to perfect. This is where patience is key. Baking is an art that rewards those who wait. As the chocolate cools, take a moment to savor the anticipation. The best things in life are worth waiting for. This chocolate creation is no exception. We want the chocolate to cool slightly before introducing it to the other ingredients. This step ensures that the eggs we will add later won't scramble, preserving the smooth, rich texture of our final product. The cooling process is like a gentle lull in our love story, a moment of calm before the excitement resumes. Trust us, the anticipation will be worth it. As you wait, imagine the final product, a decadent, chocolatey delight that will melt in your mouth and warm your heart. This is the essence of our chocolate love story, a journey of flavors and emotions that culminates in pure bliss. In a mixing bowl, combine the sugar, eggs, and egg yolks and whip them together until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. This step adds a delightful richness to your creation. We're looking for a pale, almost ribbon-like consistency. This is where your arm muscles get a workout, but the result is oh so worth it. Now, gently fold the cooled chocolate mixture, followed by the flour, salt, and vanilla extract. Remember, we're not looking for a workout here, just a gentle incorporation of the ingredients. Get ready for an exhilarating culinary adventure. Start by greasing and flouring 4 6-ounce ramekins. Let's set the stage for a mouth-watering delight. This is crucial to prevent our little lava cakes from sticking. Divide the batter evenly among the prepared ramekins. Take a deep breath and embrace the anticipation. The moment of truth is just around the corner. Diving into the fiery depths, then emerging to refresh. Arrange the ramekins on a baking sheet and get ready for a delicious journey. Bake for 12 to 14 minutes. Keep a close eye on them. We're looking for cakes that have puffed up slightly at the edges but are still deliciously gooey in the center. Once baked, remove from the oven and let cool for a few minutes. This technique enables the molten center to rest peacefully, preventing unfortunate burns and ensuring a delightful experience. Get ready for the spectacular reveal. Your masterpiece is about to take center stage. It's time for the grand finale, and anticipation is in the air. Carefully run a thin knife around the edge of each ramekin and invert onto serving plates. Dust with powdered sugar, if you wish, for an extra touch of elegance. And there you have it, a plate of warm, gooey, utterly irresistible chocolate lava cakes. Welcome to a world where chocolate reigns supreme, and every bite is a piece of heaven. Are you ready for a decadent treat that will make your taste buds dance joyfully? Today, we're about to embark on a culinary adventure that will take us deep into the heart of chocolate heaven. Imagine the rich aroma of melting chocolate filling your kitchen, the anticipation building as you prepare to create something unique. Get ready to create the most wonderful chocolate lava cakes, a dessert that promises to satisfy your deepest chocolate desires. So, let's put on our aprons and get our mixing bowls ready. This is more than just baking. It's an experience, a moment of pure joy. Let's spread the chocolate joy together. After all, no delightful culinary creation is truly complete without the magic of sharing. Snap a picture of your creations and share it with us on social media. Don't forget to tag us. We can't wait to see your chocolatey triumphs. And for more delicious recipes and baking adventures, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thank you for watching. Remember, life is too short to resist a little chocolate indulgence. So make sure to keep those ovens warm and those spoons ready. Until our next adventure, happy baking!